Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the iClone 8 motions to Unreal Engine 4.27 to make it become an animation sequence that can be applied in any of the avatar in Unreal Engine 4.27. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. The first step, you have to scroll down, go to my video description, go and download the SK Mannequin in the SK Mannequin Unreal Engine 4 in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 formats. This is an iAvatar. Go and download it. This is the Google Drive link. Once you download it already, you'll get an iAvatar. Next, you are going to open the Character Creator 4. The Character Creator 4.01, this is the latest version for today. Now open the CC4 first and wait for a while. Now, the Character Creator 4 already opened. Now I'm going to close this. And next, we are going to drag in the SK Mannequin UE4 in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 format. You have to drag in into your Character Creator 4, drag and drop it here, and wait for a while for it to load. Right. Next, in this tutorial, we are mentioned about the iClone 8 motions. You are going to import it into Unreal Engine 4.27. What we are going to do is open the iClone 8. The iClone 8. Just open it and wait for a while until it opens. Right, now my iClone 8 already open. I close this. The Unreal Life link, no need, can just close it. Alright, go to the contents, go to here, the animation. And then, under the animations, click the motion. Under the motion file here, you can see you really have a lot. For example, the human male, the human female. For example, human female's motion. Just go and find the perform. For example, now you have a few of all of this iClone motion file. You right click it and click find file. It will automatically open by using the file explorer. For any of it, right click, find file. Then it will automatically open, and all of these are RL motion file. What do we call the Reallusion motion file or iClone motion file, anything. And same as here, in your Character Creator 4, you click the contents, you can see the same thing as well, the animation. For example, motions, actually, they are using the same folder. Right. They are using the same folder, right click, find the file. Actually, it is the same folder. So how are we going to just import all this motion into Unreal Engine 4? It is really simple. So now, you already opened the Character Creator 4. Now I can close the iClone. Just open the Character Creator and the SK Mannequin already here. So what you are going to do is just click File, Export, FBX, Clove Character. This is the first step. The target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal. Then, the FBX motion, you choose the motion only. We only want a motion. And then click Custom, click Open. Where to open, you have to go back to your folder, copy the location of the folder, right click copy, and then click here, right click paste. This is the destination, enter. And then, for example, all of this motion file, what I want is the air dance and also the dance graceful. For example, I want to have this two, one, and hold the control, dance graceful. And for example, I want another one, to head. For example, 3. I only want to import 3 motions into Unreal Engine. I click open. Make sure tick save 1 motion per file. This is really important. Save 1 motion per file. Unreal motion. All of this. All of the motion file. Then save 1 motion per file. Click export. And click OK. As demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. And right click to create a new folder. I'm going to name it as iClone 8 animation. iClone 8 motion. Alright, the file name, I'm going to name this as iClone 8, IC8, just like that. Click save. And now you double click your folder. You should be able to check it. You can see, double click. So it is already exported as FBX file. So the final step is the Unreal Engine. In this tutorial, we are going to import the iClone 8 motion file into Unreal Engine 4.27 to make it available for any avatar in Unreal Engine 4.27. So now I'm going to open the Unreal Engine 4.27 and I close all the unrelated stuff here. Right now, I start the Epic Game Launcher. Wait for a while for the Epic Game Launcher to launch. Right, this here, to launch, I choose the correct version, the Unreal 4.27. This is the latest version of the Unreal Engine 4. And then I click launch. And as demo, I'm going to create a fresh new project, start from beginning. A fresh new project to show you step by step how are we going to import, how are we going to set the setting. So I start a fresh new project here. Here, I have to wait for a while until it finished loaded to load the whole project. Right, at here, as demo, I'm going to create a new project. It's a game project. Next, I'm going to choose a third-person game project. Next, at here, select a location for your project to store. This is a default. And then the project name, I'm going to name this as iClone 8. The iClone 8 motion to UE 4.27. This is just a demo. Right, I create this new project. Wait for a while. Now it is creating a fresh new project for your Unreal Engine 4.27. Now the game project already loaded. Once you play, you can see this is your default avatar, the SK Mannequin in your Unreal Engine 4.27. Press escape. Right now, what we are going to do is click the contents to make sure we import the animations from the FBX file. These 3 FBX file. We are going to import it one by one here. So here I'm going to right click, create a new folder. I'm going to name this as iClone with iClone motion. Right. Double click in, and then I'm going to import these 3, this 1, 2, 3 into here. So I select all, just drag in, and then the skeleton, you must choose the UE4 Mannequin skeleton. This is the Unreal Engine 4.27, or the motion file we import in this way. Click it. Then the animation length, we choose the animated time. This is really important. And then click import all. If you click import, you have 3 files. It is going to ask you 3 times to set this. So if you are very sure that 3 of these motions are applied to the same UE4 Mannequin skeletons, then you just click import all. That's all. And wait for a while until it finishes import everything from here. So it may take a few minutes, it may take a few seconds, it depends on your computer speed. So just wait for a while at this moment. Right, now you can see after it finished import everything, it will show you a message log. What you're going to do is just close it. No need to read this, just close it. And just have a look. You can see all of these 3 motion files already become animation sequence. Just double click and have a check. This is done gracefully, right? No, this is the twist head motion. You can close it. Then this one done graceful. Alright, everything look perfect. These are animation sequences. Close it. And the first one is the air dance. Right. So now it already become an animation sequences, and it belongs to the SK Mannequin. So that means you can just right click it and retarget in any other 3D avatar in your Unreal Engine game project if you have other game avatar. Right, this is the easiest way because we always use the SK Mannequin as the base to retarget to any other avatar. Of course, you can show it inside your game. You can direct drag the animation sequence at here. Yes, you can do it in that way. Right. If you play your game, just have a look. All of this animation sequence actually already at here. It is really awesome actually. Right. That's all for today about how to import the iClone 8 motion found into Unreal Engine 4.27 to make it become an animation sequence for any of your 3D avatar in your Unreal Engine 4.27. As the beginning, you make it become the SK Mannequin's animation sequence, and everything you can start from here. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or any of the sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.